What's up, guys? So we're here today to review the PCI Lowrance kit. They sent my buddy Tristan here. Lowrance HDS Live Baja Edition. Really badass. The 4-Link Pro Elite, which is your intercom system. Also, we don't have the box picture, but you have the Kenwood radio that is sent with the kit. Also, this GPS unit on the head here. And yeah, we're just gonna review it for you guys today. We're gonna do a full install. I think it's gonna be pretty badass, don't you think so?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm stoked to share it with you guys, to show us the tips and tricks that we kind of have. So we put together a little video for you guys on what we did on the install on this truck. It's a Ford Raptor 2018. A little bit of customization you gotta do to make it happen, but it's well worth the time and energy. Hope you guys like the video.
What's up, guys? We're gonna install the dash mount right here in the tray holder. This is a really simple part of the install. What you gotta do is remove the B&O cover. There are 4 clips right here. You just unclip them and it pops right off. But then we're gonna take a 7mm ratchet and get these 2 screws right here. So one important thing with removing these bolts, make sure you use an actual ratchet. Don't use a drill or anything, because there's little prongs under there. And if it has too much torque applied to the prongs, they will break. So it's really important to use a hand ratchet here. And then you're gonna have a little cable back here that you literally just push. Once you get this thing out, you just let it go back down. And now we're gonna place the Lowrance mount. This is where the GPS is gonna go. Sight some holes right here in the tray. We're gonna drill out these holes right here.
In the parking lot.
We got our pilot hole set, and now we just gotta shove the bolts through and get this thing mounted up.
This is the Lowrance GPS. It comes with the Baja series on the Lowrance. What it doesn't come with is a mounting system. We were trying to figure out a unique way to do it, and we found out that online they actually sell, Lowrance sells this mount on Amazon for UTVs, which is a simple bolt-on. So they don't have anything specific for the Raptor, but we found a really nifty spot. Of course, right here, pull the plastic back. There's a bolt back here. We're gonna pull this plastic off and bolt it right there. We're gonna have to drill a new hole, but it's basically gonna sit just like that, nice and flush inside there.
All right, guys, so we got this bolt taken off here, and we're gonna throw the mount on, just like Tristan was talking about.
There it is. So we just bolted it down. We had to do a little bit of a thing here. Right there, we had to saw a little bit off, just so it could clear that window, but it worked out perfectly. We were feeding that wire through there. There's a little hole in the inside of the bracket, which is perfect. We're just gonna bolt this on, screw this on, wire this back through here, put this all back together, and then get to the next step.
All right, guys, so this is gonna be the Lowrance power adapter right here, and we're gonna run these wires right through the dash into the battery cell. Now we got 16 gauge wire right here. We're gonna hook the 16 gauge wire up to these guys. So now we have all the wires crimped up. Yellow wire right here is going to the auxiliary, and these 2 are going to the power terminals. All right, guys, it's getting late out here, so we're gonna tuck this thing away for tonight, and we'll catch you guys back here in the morning. Morning, guys, so we're back out here. We have the dash pretty much torn apart here. We're mounting the intercom right here and mounting the radio right here in the center console. It's gonna be pretty cool when it's done, don't you think?
Yeah, we had to do a little customization here in order for the intercom to, oh, Jesus. So we actually, you know, the little tray, I don't know where it is, it's up there. It clips into here. The Raptors have this little lip that runs across, and what we did was we cut it and we created this lip, and we're gonna actually bolt this directly to that. And then PCI supplies these really cool brackets for the radio that we're gonna hook into here and run the radio like that.
All right, guys, so we're fishing the wires through the dash down. You can see where the intercom wire is gonna go, but we're fishing the wire for the Lowrance down from the dash underneath here. But there's a grommet right back here that goes through the firewall, and that right there is what we are splicing our wires to. So you can see where I ran the cable underneath the carpet here, and then it's going right to the grommet to the outside. And let me show you what the outside looks like. Getting through the grommet was a pain in the butt, but we did it. Definitely requires 2 people to do it. So grab a friend if you're ever doing this, because it helps tremendously. Right, bro?
Oh yeah, and putting the grommet back. It's hilarious. We're like giving birth of wires through this grommet. I can see the head.
So we got the center console trim back on here. This whole piece just comes right out, and we wired, as you can see, the little red wires sticking out right there. Those are the power cables. They're threaded through here, and they are outputting down here. Like, here's our antenna cable, some more power cables. Here's the intercom and the Kenwood. Hi guys, so you see here we got the cable wrapped up in wire cover, covered with duct tape. Got it nice and clean here, courtesy of our boy Tristan. Right now we're just wrapping up, crimping the power wires, and we're gonna hook the power wires up here to the battery. We're gonna ground somewhere on the vehicle just so it's not messy over here. But we're almost done with the wiring. Then we're gonna go tuck away all the inside of the truck here and power her on and see how she operates. Still got a lot of work. It's a fun part, right, bro?
This is fun. I like this part. Now that everything's taken apart and we get to actually play with things, you know what I mean? Okay, so we got the Lowrance installed.
We plug in the Kenwood radio and the intercom system, which feeds the headset into. We all mounted them right here. We can still utilize the space here.
Super foggy out here. It's beautiful. We just went on a little hike, and we're retracing our tracks on the Lowrance to test how accurate this GPS is on the Baja series. And if you take a look here, you will see we're actually right on our track, like to the T.
All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. That was a pretty crazy install.
Yeah.
A little more work than we thought it was gonna be, but definitely worth it. What did you think of the kit here, Tristan?
Well, I think honest
review.
review.
Yeah.
I think it's a lot of work to put the install in.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've installed anything in this truck. It was completely stock, and it was a lot of work, but it 100% was worth the time put in, because the performance of both these units are incredible. I know it's going to be like where we're at right now. I would not trust us getting back without the system.
I would absolutely not trust us to get back without that Lowrance tracking our position, and we know exactly how to get out of this wash that it's like a freaking maze.
It is a maze, and there's fences all the way around us. There's only one entry point, and it's a maze to get back, but the Lowrance is going to track us 100% super accurately. The 4-link Pro is really cool. Unfortunately, we don't have another truck out here to put it to the true test, but I've tried his system, and it's
we tried radios, little Midland radios, worked perfect.
Yep. If you're looking for a more advanced GPS system in your truck and something that you're guaranteed to get incredible results, the Lowrance is an absolute amazing buy. I definitely recommend it.
Please comment down below if you want us to do more videos like this. I had a blast doing this. I hope you guys learned something and maybe got something out of this too.
Let us know what you want next from us, and what kind of cool video ideas you have for Josh. If you should be jumping his truck over something.
Seriously.
Or building more things.
Seriously, comment down below. I'm happy to make the video. So, all right, sign out. Fuck these mosquitoes.
Bounce sheets, bro. You need some bounce sheets.